Masks within Pictures to Exe is generally just a black image containing a white shape. That shape can be square, circular, oval, and they can also have hard crisp edges as these do, or soft edges. If you have any knowledge of Photoshop or Photoshop Elements masks, these work on much the same principle. When a mask is applied to a picture in our slideshow software Pictures to Exe, the software sees white areas of the mask as transparent and black areas as solid. And it's the black areas that we can apply another image to. Now this opens up creative possibilities for superimposing images or video into other images or other video. Pictures to Exe contain masks ready-made that will meet most of our needs. But we can make a mask in any shape in almost any image editor. Let's make just one to show you how easy that is, and then let's show you how to apply masks within Pictures to Exe.